In today's quick tutorial, we're going to learn how to install a web live server and how to run a project on it. A live server helps to, display your project in a browser without having the need to refresh when you make changes. The changes are automatically detected and you have your change or your refresh right in the browser without having to always reload or refresh. It just makes your workflow way easier so you can focus on more important things that matter. So let's go. So we'll come to extensions. If you're using VS Code, just come to extensions or whatever you're using, whatever editor you're using. You just go to, there should be some sort of extensions module or a search bar in your extensions where you just put in these words. Okay, you can just go in with live server and see what options you have. Okay, this is a very common one, live server. But because we're doing front-end web development, just HTML, CSS, JavaScript, we can opt for HTML live server, and I'll explain why I prefer this. Okay, I prefer this for a sole reason. Okay, you install that one, HTML live server by Naveen Vignesh. Okay, um, if you install the other one, if you install the other server, okay, if you install this one, the downside of this one, let me see, one reason I don't really like this one is it only works by recognizing a workspace or a work folder. In other words, if you have a project that you're working on saved in a folder, then you drag your folder into your Explorer here, then it kind of tracks the whole folder. Okay, so there are some times you may want to work on some side projects or you want to just work on something quick that you may involve some other files that do not pertain to this folder, to this workspace. For instance, this folder I'm working here is from the name, it's an advanced Ludo game. And in this tutorial I'm teaching here for this YouTube video, you can see it's just a simple carousel I'm trying to build, just a simple demo. Okay, and now I've dragged this unrelated file into my work folder of this Ludo game. Okay, if I install the other live server, I'd have to track the whole thing. But how do I track this individual file without having to track a whole folder? That is where the other extension comes in. So like I said, HTML live server, which just works very fine. So you come here and you install it. I've already installed it. So what you just come here, what you just do is you have an you can run the shortcut Alt plus S. Okay, I think that should be optional if you're using Mac. Okay, Alt plus S, or you can simply click start here. You can click start here too. Another option is you can press Command Shift Control Shift P, Control Shift P. Then you can see HTML live server again. Control Shift P, HTML live server. Then you can click Start Web Preview Server. So that's it. So we have what we offer. Why choose Seneca? Apply to Seneca. Let me increase the size. So this is a navigation link here for this website I'm building. So if you come here and let's say let's say you close this and you open styles.css. Now we can just delete the style and so far, and let's see what we've got. If I click here, you see we have the bare, we just have the just have the HTML structure alone, the CSS files deleted. Okay, if I come back here and I Control Z and I come back here, the styles take place again. So that way I don't have to always refresh, Control R, refresh to see our changes. So this just makes the workflow easier on you as a developer. Okay, so see you in the next tutorial. Bye.